Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Absa Bank Savings Account. Opening a savings account is an excellent way to manage your finances effectively and secure your money. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of opening and managing an Absa Bank savings account. Firstly, you need to determine which type of savings account is suitable for you. Absa Bank offers various types of savings accounts, including the Absa Savings Account, Absa Fixed Deposit Account, and the Absa Notice Savings Account. Each account has its own unique features and benefits. To open an Absa Bank savings account, you will need to provide certain documentation, including a valid identification document, proof of residence, and proof of income. You can visit any Absa Bank branch or apply online through the Absa Bank website. Once you have opened your savings account, you can deposit money into it using various methods, including electronic funds transfer, cash deposit, and direct debit. You can also withdraw money from your account using your debit card or by visiting any Absa Bank branch. It is essential to manage your savings account effectively to get the most out of it. You can monitor your account activity online or through the Absa Bank mobile app. You should also keep track of your account balance and transaction history to avoid any unnecessary fees or charges. In addition to the basic features, Absa Bank savings accounts also offer other benefits, such as competitive interest rates, secure online banking, and access to exclusive rewards and discounts. You can also set up automatic transfers from your savings account to other accounts, such as your investment or retirement account. To get the most out of your Absa Bank savings account, it is crucial to practice good savings habits, such as setting financial goals, creating a budget, and avoiding impulse purchases. You should also consider taking advantage of Absa Bank's financial education resources and tools to improve your financial literacy and make informed decisions about your money. In conclusion, opening and managing an Absa Bank savings account is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your financial goals. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good savings habits, you can secure your financial future and make the most out of your Absa Bank savings account.